Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this web page might be temporarily down or it may have moved error, also known as error connection aborted, in Google Chrome. Let's jump straight into it. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Reset Settings. Now select Restore Settings to their original defaults and click Reset Settings to confirm. Once that's done, check if the error is fixed. If the issue continues, open the Start menu and search for Date and Time Settings. Make sure your time zone is correct and that set time automatically is enabled. Scroll down and click Sync to fully synchronize your system clock. For the final step, open the Start menu, type CMD, and run Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter, ipconfig/flush DNS. Next, type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, open Chrome again, and the error should be resolved.